Like this is the one of the rarest soup. This soup is very it's not everybody that know about this soup. So let me teach you how I make this soup, because I think I'm the only one that is making this soup. So it's better let me just teach you guys, because the food is not only nutritious, it contains a lot of protein and other things. So when you are done boiling your meat, I did that one apart from this video, aside this video. So when you're done, you're done boiling your meat, then you introduce your egusi. After you add a little water, after you add your oil to your meat stock. So this is my goat skin meat. Yes, this is my goat skin. We're using goat skin. You can use any other meat like momo, anything you want to use, it's okay, but you know it's the one I can afford. So this goat skin. Then I'll go in with my black fish. I will also go in with my meat stock, my meat with stockfish, then my crayfish. Yes, and I'm going to stir it. Yes, this soup is very, very good. You can try this soup. My children don't joke with this soup because it tests heavily. Yes, it tests it heavily. So after that, when you have already introduced everything into your soup, then you go in with your green. The name of this green is green leaf. I don't know what it is to call it, but it's just green leaf. That's what we used to call it. Let me show you guys the picture on the screen. So I'm going to introduce my green leaf. And some people use this green for vegetable soup. Yes, some people use this green for vegetable soup. One day I saw these celebrity people that were using it for vegetable soup. We saw go and water leaf, and this same leaf that you saw me using now. You see me using now. So when you are in transfer your green, you cover it. You know, the green used to cook very fast. So what you do, you will not cook it for so long. Just cover it, just a minute. You remove the pot cover and turn it. And when you are done stirring it, you're going to gently turn it. And when you are done it, you are done stirring, when you are done turning it, don't cover it so that it will not be too soft. Your green will not be too soft, that it will not look like vegetable again, very fresh. So you just leave your soup till it's cool, then you transfer it into the freezer. So here my egusi soup is very, very much ready, and trust me, if you test this egusi soup, hey God, only God know how this soup means to my family. So after that, your soup is ready. It's just a simple recipe, but it's very, very, that is it, what is, if you can try this egusi soup, it's what is just the normal way we used to cook egusi soup. But the difference is that you're going to add this green leaf. If you have not tried this green leaf on your egusi soup before, my dear, you are missing something, because this green is very, very good. So you can see how it is. I did not cover it so this will not overdone. You leave it open till when it's cool, you transfer it into the freezer, and that's all. And even a day after, 2 days after, 3 days after, it's still very, very fresh. If you can just do it this way that I told you, don't cover it after you are done cooking it. So that's it. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Thank you for being active in my channel. Thank you for engaging for everything. Bye.